The 2011 BMW 5 Series by Hamann. After tuning the SLS AMG, Hamann has decided to take a peek at the BMW 5 Series as well. For the moment the package is only focusing on improving the car's aerodynamic, but an engine update will be offered in the future. The exterior package includes a front spoiler, aggressive side skirts, a rear bumper center valence, a roof-mounted spoiler, and a trunk-mounted spoiler. The tuner is also offering a lowering kit that reduces the car's height by 35 mm. The exterior package is finished by 20 inches wheels, LED daytime running light inserts, and a stainless steel four-tailpipe sport exhaust system. The interior gets a carbon fiber package for the decorative strip 2-pieced for dashboard, inside door handle covers front and rear, decorative strip 3-pieced for center console, and steering wheel cover. There is also a set of aluminum pedals and branded floor mats. Prices will be announced at a later date. Comparing the package for the Mercedes SLS AMG and the BMW 5 Series, we think the package for the BMW is much more well-rounded than the SLS AMG's package. Hamann has succeeded in completing the look of the BMW and making it look that much better and more expensive. This tuning package allows the 5 Series to have an even cleaner and more striking appearance.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.